Hello, my makeup lovers, enthusiasts, and just people who love beauty and all. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Isha B. Lavish, and we're going to get into this quick and easy eyebrow tutorial. I'm starting off using the $1 Billion Brow Liner to fill my eyebrows in. So yeah, I just like to just go ahead and just, fill it in. Start at the bottom, work my way up, slightly doing small strokes, not too heavy, just until I get to the top. And it will look a little boxy, but it's okay. I will blend this out, okay? So, like I said, I'm just going to do this to that side, and then we'll work on the other side, and I'm just going to repeat the same step. All right, let's tap into our concealer, the favorite, the best part. I'm using the color Chestnut in the Born This Way concealer. So I use this concealer. I want to say that's a Luxie brush. I'm not too sure, but I'm going to start by drawing a thin line underneath my eyebrow. I'm going to drag it across. You got to get this step kind of precisely right. It's going to affect the shape of the brow. So I suggest one quick swipe around the bottom, and that's it. I'm going to do the same to the top, although you can do a couple different strokes at the top, just as long as you get it just as straight as you can. And so from there, we're just going to, like I said, make sure we get that straight. Make sure it's not like curvy or any lines are in it. Make sure I didn't cut any um, of the brow off, so I'm just kind of perfecting that as much as possible. All right, keep on watching. And from here, I'm just going to be cleaning up that brow. Like I said, I'm going to take the spoolie that's on the other side and just feather that out. Get it to look as natural as possible. You don't want the huge boxy lines, okay? So take that spoolie and just go in for the kill. And then I'm just going to go in and repeat the same steps on the other side. All right, and now we're almost at the end. This is the last part where I like to do all of my finishing touches. I like to make sure that it's blended out. My concealer is blended out the way I like it. I really don't like the harsh line underneath my eyebrows, so I blend it out as much as possible. But this also helps with choosing a concealer that's not so bright, so this part won't be hard for you if you do that. Like I said, I'm going to make sure I use my spoolie correctly enough and make sure my eyebrows is as feathered as I would like them. And I'm just going to go over my eyebrows a few times to just make sure it's the way I like it. And yeah, this is my little eyebrow routine that I like. And it's not too over dramatic. It's good for like a neutral day. And from here, you can just go ahead and just put your concealer on and start your eyeshadow makeup. Bye, guys. Thank you.